Everyone has the capacity to heal yourself, heal your own life, get money, abundance. And abundance is not only money, but there is abundance of riches and wealth, good health, good relationship, and plenty of love to yourself. Specify it, identify it, identify it and specify it, you know what I do when I
Mm.
wanted something. I don't ask for the money. Kunyari, gusto ko magkaroon ng ganitong business. Eh, ang kailangan na pera diyan is mga 10 milyon. I don't
Okay.
ask for the money. I'll ask, God, can you enlighten me and give me people to create this kind of business? Na ito yung gusto ko,
Mm.
ito yung lupa, ito yung ganito, ito yung ganyan. And syempre, pag binigay sa'yo ni God yun, may kasamang money.
Yeah.
So, you ask what will the money do for you rather than asking the money. Yun yun.